you doing? It looks like we're going to grind a, we call it a portable root, using the root hog. You'll notice that thing doesn't mess around. Look at it. You see the teeth. How long do you think it would take to trim a root down to the surface? The thing's taking a 1/4 of an inch off on each cast. And if you notice, he's not running it wide open. So this will work on residential as well as commercial. So don't overpower it. Don't try to get it all done momentarily. And let it do its work. The more it goes, the more it cuts into your wood. Okay? So enjoy shaving your roots down. Thank you. Bye-bye now.
That you got